Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey Hennessy, and in this video, I'm going to go through how to use the GoHighLevel Power Dialer. If you're using our dashboard Deal Swift, it's the exact same. And I'm going to go through how you can add leads to your Power Dialer, call them directly from the dashboard, and make the outreach process that much easier. So this is going to be a pretty quick video, but I think it's super useful as a lot of people I'm speaking to, one, they're using dialers maybe that they pay for individually, and they don't know that GoHighLevel has a dialer itself and how you can automate that process to make it much easier for yourself using the platform. So let's get into it. We are on one of our client dashboards. On the left hand side, we have the menu that we can go through. What we want to do is go to our automations. We have all of our automations that are working away on this account. If we go to the Power Dialer, which I've just created, what we're doing here is we're adding a contact tag, which I've set to dialer. So once this tag is added to any of the leads, it will then go straight to the manual call action, which is going to add it to the Power Dialer list. Now, if you have multiple staff, what you want to do is you want to add a assign to user, which you can do just by typing in assign to user. You can add whichever user you want to add to the account, but for now, I'm just going to leave it as anybody can use this. And for now, we're going to set this to publish. We're going to hit save. We're going to come back out of our automation. Instead, we're going to go to contacts. And usually what you can do is if you want all of your leads to be assigned to your Power Dialer, you can do that in one of your automations. If you have a new lead automation, maybe the last step could be add the dialer tag or add the tag that you want to use for this setting. That's going to make sure that they automatically go to your bulk actions. So let's choose some of these leads on the accounts. I'll quickly choose these leads. We're going to hit add a tag. Action name, we'll just say Power Dialer. And then the tag we're going to add is the dialer tag. So let's add that tag to those leads. Dismiss. So they would now be going through the automation. Usually it's instant, especially if there's only 5 leads. You can usually run thousands of contacts through the automation and it will only take a few minutes. So that's going to go through. Now, if we go to our bulk actions, we're going to see our Power Dialer. We can actually check it out. We can see that those leads went through. And then if I come back and go to our conversations, now we will have a tab at the very top where you can see manual actions. That's where all of your automation is going to take place. All of your manual actions that we've just added to the Power Dialer. So now when I go here, you can see we have multiple leads that we can actually look through the names. We can see the workflow that they came from, the date that they were added, and you'll see the type of manual action as a call and the status is yet to start. So these manual actions can be your phone calls, text messages, emails, and you can assign them all here. But for this, let's click Let's Start, which is going to begin the process of opening up the window of the contact. So it's going to have all the contact details. It's going to have everything. It's going to have everything in there, and it's going to call that lead. Now, once that lead is finished and the call has gone through, we can actually, take the call or hang up. What's going to happen now is it's going to give us the option to leave a no answer. Were they busy? Do we want to leave a voicemail, or was it completed? So for now, I'm going to do no answer. We're going to come out of that. And you'll see in the top right hand side, it's paused. I've just paused it, but it's automatically going to call the next lead. And it's going to do this until all of the actions are completed. So this makes it really easy if you have a sales team, or maybe you've just logged into the account and you've generated 50 leads. You can go to your manual action, you can hit Let's Start, and it's going to let you call all of those 50 leads and quickly go through that process. You can leave notes on the account before the next one begins. You can move the leads around and you can quickly go through all of those. As I said, if you have a sales team, this is an easy way to assign multiple leads to different people in your team, or just assign them to a specific sector in your business and let those people take care of it. So if I click next lead, it's going to call that lead and it's going to continue until I finish. So hopefully you enjoyed that. A pretty quick video, but this is something really important for any business using the platform. If you're using Deal Swift or GoHighLevel, it's super important, and it's going to make sure that you can go in, contact your leads as fast as possible, and get those calls done throughout the day to actually follow up with your leads. So as I said, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you like these kind of short, snippy tutorials, and I hopefully will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.